English learners believe progress comes from hard study, perfect grammar, and long practice sessions. But real learning does not begin with effort. It begins with comfort. They listen, feel, observe, and only later begin to understand. This natural process still works for adults if we allow it. In this lesson, we will explore why listening is the strongest foundation, how English already exists in your daily life, and why mistakes are not your enemies but your greatest teachers. इन सब बातों को आज ध्यान में रखेंगे. द पावर ऑफ लिसनिंग फर्स्ट, इस पे ध्यान देते हैं. चिल्ड्रन लिसन विदाउट प्रेशर. दे डू नॉट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरी वर्ड. दे let sounds flow into their mind. Understanding comes later. This is exactly how listening should work for English learners too. Slow English is especially powerful for beginners. Not because it is simple, but because it gives your brain time. Natural pauses allow you to hear where sentences. Slow does not mean robotic. Real English has music in it. Some words are strong, some soft, some fast, some slow. This rhythm trains your ear naturally. When you listen regularly, fast English slowly starts sounding slower. Not because speakers change, but because your brain knows what is coming next. One common mistake learners make it listening only once. One time is rarely enough. Native speakers have heard the same pattern thousands of times through repetition is training. Each time you listen again, you notice something new. A word, a pause, a connection. Even when you feel nothing is happening, your brain is still building quietly. Short daily listening is far more powerful than long, irregular sessions. 10 minutes every day works better than 1 hour once a week. Daily listening keeps English alive in your mind. Even when you are tired, listening still works. You do not need energy, only consistency. Listening also removes fear. When English sounds become familiar, they stop feeling foreign. Comfort grows, and comfort creates confidence. When your ears are comfortable with English, your mouth follows naturally. Listening is safe. There is no response required. No one is waiting for your answer. No one is judging you. This safety allows your brain to relax, and relaxed brain learn faster. Many learners want to speak immediately, and that desire is good. But speaking without listening is like trying to sing a song you have never heard. Listening gives you the map. Speaking follows naturally, often without force or effort. So listen with curiosity, not stress. Listen without the goal of understanding everything. Listen again and again, even when you feel confused. Listening is working. Listening is not passive. When done correctly, it is active learning without pressure. It works with your brain, not against it. Listening is not just a skill, it already lives around you. Many learners believe English exists only in books, classrooms, or videos. They think English begins when a lesson starts and ends when it closes. But real English lives around you quietly every single day. Look around. Your phone is full of English. Your apps, buttons, settings, notifications, and menus already speak English to you. Words like search, message, update, battery, and download are already understood without translation. This proves one never gave yourself permission to use it actively. Now look at objects around you: a table, a chair, a door, a window, a light. These simple words are powerful. When you name what you see in English, your brain starts connecting language directly to real life, not textbooks. Action are even more powerful. When you wake up, you can think, I wake up. When brushing your teeth, I am brushing my teeth. When eating, I am eating. When walking, I am walking. These sentences do not need to be perfect. They need to be real. This is how children learn, and this is how adults can relearn naturally. Self-talk is one of the most underrated language tools. It may feel strange at first, but it is private, safe, and extremely effective. You do not need long sentences. Short phrases are enough. I feel tired. This is good. I need water. These thoughts already exist in you. You are simply changing the language. Over time, English becomes your thinking partner, not a foreign subject. You do not need long study sessions or perfect conditions. Life is busy. 5 to 10 minutes every day is far more powerful than long sessions once in a while. While cooking, walking, waiting, or resting, English can join you. These small moments add up. English stops feeling heavy because you are no longer carrying it separately. It works with you. Fear reduces because you are not performing. You are not being tested. You are simply using language to describe life. Even one word is enough to begin. Cold, hot, late, busy. These words are seeds. When you use them daily, more words naturally grow around them. Confidence grows quietly, and confidence invites more use. Mistakes are not your enemies, बात को याद रखें. One of the greatest obstacles to fluency is not grammar or pronunciation. It is same. Same about mistakes, same about sounding wrong, same about not being perfect. This same does not come from English. It comes from past experiences where mistakes were punished or laughed at. Every confident English speaker you admire has made thousands of mistakes. Fluency is not the absence of mistakes, it is comfort with them. When mistakes become safe, growth becomes fast. You do not need to change your life for English. English needs to fit into your life. Stop asking, when will I study English? Start asking, when can English join me today? Your life is already a classroom. Listening is already working. Daily moments are already enough. Let English grow quietly inside you, naturally, comfortably, one small moment at a time.